Since I decided to take content creation seriously, I finally went and got my filming gadgets, my LED light, the tripod for the LED light, and my tripod stand. I'm going to start by unboxing the tripod stand. This is it. This tripod stand, I love it because it came with a carrier bag. Like, I don't have to stress myself whenever I want to go out. I can simply hang it like this and carry it. Ooh la la. This is looking so fine. Like, I'm so excited about this. The tripod came with a shutter, so I can basically run a photo shoot on my own by myself. So I don't need to always go over to my phone to press it. I'll just connect my Bluetooth to my shutter, and that's basically it. So this is me releasing the length of the tripod, and wow, this is looking fine. Other than the shutter, the tripod also came with its own phone holder, so I'm so excited. Like, you can see the joy in my face. So this is giving a 10 out of 10. The next thing I'm going to be unboxing is the tripod for my LED light. One basic thing I like about this tripod is that it's longer than the other tripod, which is the phone holder. So my LED light is going to be over my tripod, like over my head, and it's going to give me a better shot. So this is me just adjusting the tripod, and this is the full length of the tripod. Now let's unbox the queen of queens. Like, this is the most exciting part of everything I got. My LED light. Like, I was so excited about this one. It came with its own remote and an adapter. The LED light 600 opens like a carton. Watch this. So I'm going to be fixing this to the tripod stand, and we're done. So it's time to test the magic. But before that, this is me just goofing around. Can you see me and this LED light are at the same height? So I've connected the adapter to the LED light, and guys, this is the magic. I'm so excited. It's giving shine bright like a diamond. God, this one's sweet big. And one thing I like about this LED light is that it comes in different tones. It has the warm tone and, you know, the bright tone. Like, I'm just loving everything about this. It's giving everything it should give. Guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video.